What is going on, guys? So today we're going to be starting the bike, putting it all back together. This is the subframe here, has not been coated yet. But here's all the goodies. We got the black frame, specific suspension killed it with the forks and rear shock. They look super cool, anodized black finish. We got some Cerakoted lugs, super cool. So super cool on that, he killed it with those. The frame I had powder coated at Blakely Powder Coating. It's a local place. He did a great job with that, especially on the masking. He made sure to mask off every single spot that shouldn't get any powder coat on it. So that was great. Makes it a lot easier for me. And then, so we're gonna be powder coating that black, like the linkage here. Gloss black, and then we're going to start putting it back together. So I hope you enjoy. So one thing I've never liked about Pivot Works is that they don't label any of their stuff. So for these linkage kits, there's so much stuff and none of it is labeled on which part it goes. Does it go on this piece? Does it go on the other piece? Is not right here. But anyways, you don't know what goes where. You can normally just judge by the hole, but you see that both of those are the same size. So how are you supposed to know? And if it's your first time, I'll be able to figure it out. But if it's your first time, you're gonna have absolutely no idea where they go. Alright, so my next tip is that I always use Rocky Mountain for all these diagrams. You can just go on their OEM parts order page and see exactly how these are. So you can see what goes where, even labels it, washer, like the seal, another washer, and then the bearing. So then you know what goes where. Same thing, and it shows this for the whole bike. So if you need help on seeing where things go, I recommend using Rocky Mountain ATV or some other OEM parts order page, because it will show you exactly what goes where. now we got the swing arm done. Bearings, it looks pretty cool actually with the silver accent around the black swing arm. Kinda like that, but so yeah, we got that done, and so I think now it's time to start putting things together. Guys, now it's finally time to get this beautiful engine into the frame, so yeah, let's do it. Well guys, here we go. Here is the base of the YZ build. Looks super cool. I'm glad I left the cylinder silver for an accent. Matches with the triple clamps I did there. It looks super cool. I mean, it's blacked out. It looks amazing. So, super excited to put the rest of this together. We'll be doing that in the following video. I'm gonna show you guys something real quick though. I gotta show you guys something real quick. I got kind of screwed over on these beautiful wheels here. So here's the axle that is meant for this bike, and look. That is not right. That is clearly way too small, and the hubs are clearly not meant for this. And I got these a long time ago, and they're already all together. So we are screwed on that. I don't know what they're for. I'm gonna have to try and figure it out because I don't want to have to build more wheels after paying for these. So I'm going to see if I can figure that out in the next week, and hopefully we can figure out what we need to do. So thanks for watching.